Hello everyone, this is Aaron from OneSize0 and welcome to our in-depth review of the OPPO Reno 13 5G with its stylish design, advanced camera capabilities, and impressive performance. This device aims to be a solid contender in the mid-range market. Let's explore everything in this smartphone has to offer. Let's start with the design. The OPPO Reno 5G exudes sophistication with its slim profile and lightweight build. It weighs at just 181 grams and it is around 7.24 millimeters thin. While the aerospace-grade aluminum frame adds durability. The one-piece sculpture glass back enhances both grip and style. It comes in two colors, chrome white and luminous blue. The Reno 13 5G features a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1256 x 2760 pixels, delivering sharp and vibrant details. Its 120Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience, whether you are gaming or watching videos. Under the hood, the Reno 13 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, delivering a 20% improvement in CPU performance and a 60% boost in GPU performance compared to its predecessor, paired with up to 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. It's built to handle everything from multitasking to demanding games with ease. And with OPPO's AI HyperBoost technology, this ensures smoother gameplay by stabilizing frame rate and managing temperatures effectively, making it a reliable device for gamers. The Reno 13 5G boasts a versatile triple camera system, a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. The main sensor captures sharp and vibrant photos, while the ultra-wide lens is perfect for extensive landscapes. In low-light conditions, the AI Night Portrait mode enhances clarity and reduces noise, producing stunning images. Additionally, the 50-megapixel selfie camera ensures your portraits are sharp and detailed, with AI enhancement that refine facial contours naturally. The OPPO Reno 13 5G is equipped with a 5600 mAh battery, providing all-day power. OPPO's 80-watt SuperBook fast charging technology takes the battery from 0 to 100% in just 47 minutes, so you're never out of power for long. And in just 10 minutes of charging, you can get up to 4.4 hours of WhatsApp usage or 4 hours of video streaming, perfect for those busy days. AI features on the Reno 13 5G takes mobile photography to the next level, with tools like AI Eraser 2.0 to remove unwanted objects, AI Clarity Enhancer for sharper images. Your photos are always professional grade. The device also bridges the gap between Android and iOS with OPPO Connect, enabling seamless file sharing across ecosystems, a first for OPPO smartphones. And with an IP69 rating, the OPPO Reno 13 5G stands out as a phone designed for durability. It supports underwater photography, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos at a depth of up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. While then, the dual stereo speakers and holo audio technology deliver rich, immersive sound, making it a treat for music lovers and gamers alike. In conclusion, the OPPO Reno 13 5G offers a perfect blend of design, performance, and innovation. From its stunning display and a powerful camera system to its long battery life and fast charging, this smartphone delivers exceptional value in its segment. And if you are looking for a stylish and feature-packed smartphone, the Reno 13 5G should be on your radar. And before we end this video, we hope that you can like and subscribe our video as we will create more content for you. And that's pretty much on this review on the OPPO Reno 13 5G. Thank you for watching and I shall see you in the next one.